Hi Libra, this is your next 10 days reading. I'm going to look at the energies through the tarot cards. I have taken out the cards, and this reading is for the sun sign, moon sign, rising sign, the collective of Libra people having um, good placements of Libra, powerful placements of Libra. This is for them. So, in your external environment, what we are seeing at this time are two, very stable forces, the Chariot and the Queen of Pentacles. This could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a Cancer around you, or this is telling us that you will have control over your situation with a long term approach. You will have the practical energy of making things happen for yourself by being determined with your willpower. That is what I am seeing. This is also showing a bit of a slowdown from a very fast energy. So you were in the Knight of Swords, or you are in the Knight of Swords energy, an energy which is very fast, but some things of the past, or some fears slow you down. So at this time you are trying to engage into a situation with your power of nurturing and also your power of focus, and you will be moving forward, but now with assurance and with practicality. So as you move forward, what I see is some waiting energy with Three of Wands. It is expectation. You have put in the work and now you are expecting the results. And from the 5th of March to the 11th of March, what we are seeing is good expectation, and 99.9% there could be a new beginning for you. With the Two of Cups, we can expect something to renew in your situation. So you have the High Priestess and the Empress energy at this time. So High Priestess and the Empress energy is about new launches, new starts, fertility in your situation, whether it is personal or professional. You will have the intuitive guidance from within, and also maybe some wisdom from people, elder people around you, who will be, or feminine energies who will be guiding you forward. You will have this nurturing, caring, and a very abundant energy around you. So the influences are very, very good, and in this time period you are however cautious. You are keeping yourself on the higher ground. You are managing your problems, and with the High Priestess and the Empress, you will have very good energies from within, and you will be attracting abundance towards you, love towards you. So in terms of your love, I am seeing a soulful contract between you and someone else. So after a period where there was a fast movement, there was some that fast movement caused some fears and self-doubt, and then you are channeling your energy towards the practicality of life, and you are very focused for a goal that you want to achieve, whether it is your personal or your physical space, whether it is your material a space. You want to achieve something, and the guidance is good, and you are in a fertile zone, so you will be able to accomplish something in this time period. You were confused with some options in the past. With the Seven of Cups, you were looking for options, whether it is job, or maybe you did not have a job, or options in life, and you were feeling a bit apathic towards what was offered to you. But with the Six of Swords, in this time period, after a traumatic stuck situation, you are going to move on, and you are going to move on to a safer, quieter, peaceful space or a place. So basically, universe is providing you with internal energies of guidance, and also external energies that are putting you back on track, taking you out of difficulties, and keeping you protected, and giving you a passage, rightful passage towards peace. So the only problem is you could be feeling in this time period that something wrong has been done to you, something was unfair in the past with the justice in the obstacle. Stop thinking about what has happened in the past and what could have been. What you need to do is to focus on the future. With the Chariot, you will be able to proceed, you will be able to move towards positivity and positive goals. So internally you will start feeling rejuvenated, recovered, cured in your situation. You can feel new love coming in, feeling of happiness coming in, and offers coming in. And with the King of Cups, you will be either shown love by Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy, or you will have this energy of stoicism, and where you will be keeping your emotions in check, and you will have an emotional victory in terms of your personal life. So 10 of Swords has already happened to you, so a karmic ending has happened, and that caused all the problem in your life. This was because of also you sticking to the comfort zone, not letting yourself take the risk. But there is some kind of risk that has to be taken. With the Ace of Swords, the breakthrough will come to you. You will see or realize a new path from a situation where you were feeling stuck or feeling confused. So this confusion was because you were sticking on or holding on to something which you didn't want to slip away. But now, the after a chaotic situation or a sad situation in your life, or a fearful situation, you are getting a breakthrough in this time, and this will be a win-win for you. So Magician and the Sun comes to you in your outcome. So this is telling us what you are manifesting, what you are wanting in this time, desiring. You will be able to get to that, and very soon, with a risk in your life, with some small risk, you are going to initiate a new path for yourself, and you will fructify your dreams. The Sun is assuring that the light or the cure, the recovery, maybe in health. For many of you, you could be having some difficulty in your body. That is, you are getting out of that miraculously. And any problem that has been troubling you, or fears that were around you, swirling around you, you are given a chance by the universe, and also your own ability to overcome situations. You will be able to have joy, happiness, recovery, love, name, fame, recognition, whatever was giving you some kind of trouble, it is going to be resolved in this time period. So for people who were not getting offers regarding their job, they can have a long-term offer of a stability or money coming in for them. So what's coming in is, you were in a situation of poor, a poor situation was prevailing. It could be connected to a child or child conception. For many of you, that productivity, fertility is coming to you. A gift or benefit is coming to you, and unexpected money situation or income is coming to you. So you should be trusting your situation in this time period. This situation is calling for you to have faith. There could be separation, or you are separated from someone, or you are expecting some separation and you are fearful of that separation. And there is also a past life relationship. You could be having a very strong bond with someone. You have known each other before, so there is a very strong bond with someone. So let's read out your advice. The Medicine Guardian card has come for you. You should be open to healing information. Listen to what is coming to coming up within you and what is being shared with you by trustworthy others in your life. Pay attention to healing information. You are being exposed to information and insights that will have a dramatic healing effect upon your life. If you are working through something mentally or emotionally, know that there are spiritual energies supporting your healing. If you are working through something that is physically challenging, pay particular attention to information that's coming to you that feels inspired, insightful, and warm, so it will be supportive for your wellness. Your angels are here to remind you that your natural state is one of wholeness and you are on the road to revealing that wholeness once more. So, this is what I have for you, Libra. I wish you all the best for this week. This week is going to be fruitful and I hope for the best. So, I will pray as well for Librans. So, if you have liked this reading, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are available to you. I will send the procedure once you write to me through the email ID in the description box. Thanks for watching this reading. Keep watching this space, Tarot Priestess 1313. I'll be posting more readings all through the month. Bye bye.